Welcome to BranchUp Pro. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to take full advantage of the features available in BranchUp Pro by updating your profile information and BranchUp connections. Let's get started. Step 1. Update agency details. From Profile Info, select the gear icon and choose Agency Details. Scroll to the Add Your Appointment Booking link section. If you use Calendly, Google Calendar, or Office 365, you can insert your booking link here. This will allow clients to schedule appointments with you directly through your BranchUp marketing. Next, scroll to the Add Hashtags section. Hashtags help attract new clients based on travel type, destination, or other interests. Simply add your hashtag words or phrases and check the box for each social media platform where you want to include these hashtags, such as hashtag accessible travel. Step 2. Update destination and travel preferences. From your profile, select Seller Information. Use the drop-down menus to update your top 3 destinations or regions, as well as the top 3 types of travel you specialize in. This will help the AI post generator create relevant content for your business. Now, let's review your business card. Your business card shows how your logo and signature appear on landing pages, email marketing, and Reels. To review, select Profile, then Business Card, and check the accuracy of your information. This section is view-only, so if you need to make changes, update the appropriate fields in your profile settings. Step 4. Update AI Post Generator settings. From the left-hand navigation menu, select AI Post Generator. Click the gear icon to open AI settings. Here, you can choose your voice tone and writing style from the drop-down menus. You can also check the box to include your agency name, as listed in your profile. If you need to update your top 3 destinations, use the pencil icon to edit. Please note, the destination choices come from the seller information you updated earlier in Step 2. Step 5. Connect your Instagram profile. For this step, you will need to follow the instructions in the Help Desk support articles to complete your Instagram connection. This will guide you through the setup process, including how to link your Instagram and Facebook business page. There are 2 sets of instructions depending on whether you are using a web browser or the Instagram app. Open the article and navigate to the BranchUp Connection section. Next to the Instagram logo, click Connect. Follow the step-by-step instructions to complete the process. Step 6. Adjust post frequency. This step is optional, but is included as one of the features of your Pro membership. First, let's talk about post frequency. Social media algorithms show users content that's most relevant to them, so posting frequently can increase your visibility. In fact, Facebook and Instagram recommend regular, high-quality posts, and that's exactly what BranchUp provides. To learn more, please read the Facebook support articles that are included in the support channel documentation. If you'd like to customize your posting schedule, go to the Post Frequency section in the left navigation menu. Select Auto Frequency to follow the automated schedule, or choose Custom to adjust the schedule and number of daily posts to fit your preferences. You are now set up to maximize your BranchUp Pro experience. If you have any questions, please email us, support@branchup.com. Expand your influence and grow your business with BranchUp Marketing. Intelligent automation.